That's right. Thank you, John. And this recipe is a perfect side dish for any summer get-together. So nice to have Karol back for this, and using fresh produce, aren't we?
Yes, we got peppers. I added apples and grapes too. It seems to, I don't know, the sweetness of the apples and grapes kind of enhance the vegetables. And we have cucumbers, red onions, broccoli. All these can be grown in Nebraska. And we have just a lot of produce farmers. It's a $63 million industry, lots of farmers markets, so it's all available. Like I said, it's seasonal, but we do have a lot.
All right, and we have the recipe there for you, and it's also on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page already, so you can just copy it off there.
Okay.
But basically, you know, when you have all this fresh produce, it might be sitting around in your fridge for a bit, and you're like, what can I do with it? And this would be an easy way to use it.
Yeah, you just chop, and you can use anything. I thought afterwards, well, you can use pears even, cauliflower, kale,
whatever
lettuce, fresh, leaf lettuce that you can buy at produce. And this is my sister-in-law's. It's a red vinaigrette recipe with a red onion, canola oil, sugar, and red wine vinegar all pureed together. That's my sister-in-law's recipe. So she's a good cook, so I trust hers.
Can't go wrong with that.
Right.
So let's mix it all together now,
Okay,
Karol.
we'll start with broccoli. Okay. We'll put the broccoli in, and we'll put. I like the colors. I love red bell peppers.
It looks great.
And then we'll put cucumber and red onion here. Okay. And the red onion, it seems odd, but there's something about red onion that enhances a flavor.
I love red onion. It's one of my favorites.
And these are grapes and apples, just to kind of give it a sweet crunch. And then we'll just stir it up and go ahead and just pour as much dressing as you like on there. And we'll just kind of stir it up. I think that's good.
You could get a boughten dressing too.
You can use a boughten dressing, yeah. There's so many wonderful local dressings. There's so many wonderful just commercial dressings, but there are a lot of local dressings available that are wonderful. And one of the things, this is good now, but when you let it set overnight, it's really good. Really, really good.
Well, let's give it a try.
But it uses all, you can go to the farmer's market, load up on a whole variety of vegetables, and utilize them this way.
I like that dressing.
Yeah, it's good. It's tried and true, I think.
Wow, she may have to sell that.
I might have to tell her that.
You may have to. All right. Again, we have this recipe on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. Back to you, John.
All right.